Hello everyone, welcome to another trade recap. Today we'll look at what happened and what to expect for tomorrow, and also why I took the trade I did take today, right? So let's start on the daily. Why is this moved? Excuse me, thank you. Well, all we can see right here is the daily was like really weird today, right? Like when the day started, I think it didn't. Yeah, it was an inside candle. No, it was below. No, it was an inside candle. Yeah, it was an inside candle, and I was just looking at price and how it moves and stuff. And I wasn't home today, so like I wasn't really focused as much. But give me 1 second. But yeah, I tried my best with my phone. I don't like using my phone to trade. It's whatever. Um. So, mainly today I was bearish. Because I was looking at this for value gap. I see we can go into this for value gap and go down. And we didn't. We had an SMT. Before price, where it's now, we had an SMT where S&P entered the fair value gap, but NAS didn't. So automatically my drawn liquidity was down here, which did reach. It did go beneath that, right? Thing is, since it did reach that, this is like this is like the key level, right? The key level. And at key levels, I expect a reversal, right? And that's what happened. We got a reversal. Matter of fact, we got a midweek reversal, right? No, no. What am I talking about? What did I just say? A market structure shift on the 1 hour, meaning this week could we're looking at the bullish week probably. We're looking at the bullish week, which I like to see, right? I love me a bullish week. Other than that, we also took the previous weekly low. So after we took that low, I was looking for longs instantly, right? And what can we see? At first, I thought this was like consolidation. It was the small manipulation, and we were distributing. I thought that was bullshit. Not gonna lie. So I was just waiting on what price would actually show me, and what it showed me was that this was actually manipulation, right? Why? Because we reached the key level I was waiting to reach, right? This is a key level. This is my drawn liquidity. We reached it. So I did expect um that reversal, and we did get a reversal. If you go to the 15 minute, this is the consolidation, right? You can see it's pretty clear. We did not do much here and here. So what I was looking at is we went down, right? Now I want a 1 hour fair value gap. Wait, no, my bad. Yeah, I was looking at this and I was like, okay, it's market open already. It's market open already, and the only fair value gap here is this one. And I was like, all right, I want to see it get into the fair value gap on the 15 minute, and I look for a unicorn, and that's it, right? GG's, like money in the bag and whatever. Oh, yeah, here, money in the bag and whatever. I was like, okay, let's do that. I was waiting, and I see that the candle was reversing, but we didn't get into the fair value gap. Well, what happened? We got an SMT, right? On S&P it did enter the fair value gap, while on NAS it didn't. So automatically I went into the 1 minute, and I was looking. Huh? Oh, damn. Let me just mark this out. I also have this volume imbalance, but I don't like it. Let me just mark this out so I know, because I kind of got lost. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so what I was looking at is like we got, this is a thing, right? I was really skeptical about entering this trade at first, but then I realized my bias is like on point and everything else is on point. So I just de-risked on this. My problem, right, was price did not close above this high, which is for me a valid valid market structure shift. So this would have been my breaker. Thing is, we just wicked it, right? Just went up, wicked it, and went down. But we did have a displacement. You can call this displacement. We had two strong up candles, and we even left it for value gap. Initially, what I was waiting for, I don't even remember which cut. Yeah, yeah. Now what? Now what? Damn. Okay. Bro. Wow. If you look at this was on my demo, by the way. I took it on funded. Yeah, on demo, I entered off of the fair value gap right here. That's what I entered on demo, but on my on the funded, I'm pretty sure I entered on this candle right here. Uh, why? First of all, because I'm a dumbass. Yeah. And second of all, also I did not realize how big this is. Wait. Yeah, also my TP just got bugged and I like I got filled here out of the trade. It's whatever. This was on demo anyway. My funded. Let me show you my funded. Uh, where you can see I'm not bullshitting you, and I actually took that trade. Let me find it. Oh, where is it? Excuse me? Do I have turned off executions on this? Alright, so this is my chart. On here. Where are the entries? What? How do I enable my entries? Trade history. Trade history. Yeah, there we go. Um, you can say yeah, I entered on this candle. Uh, first of all, because let me get just into first of all, because I got scared after seeing the down candles. That's a stupid move, right? That's a stupid move. Do not get scared by this, like, So after I saw displacement, we got like displacement on this candle. I entered on that, but it was also because I didn't really like this, right? This market structure shift. It is a market structure shift. Don't get me wrong. It is an low, high, lower, low, higher, high. But I just like when it's closed above. It's whatever, really. But yeah. So I ended up with the fair value gap, right? Because now this become my breaker. But well, I didn't have a fair value gap yet, right? I like unicorn models, not breakers. So right here when we got above, and there was no fair value gap. So I was expecting for this candle actually to make a fair value gap, and then we come down, and we enter off of the breaker. That didn't happen. This went down. We did this fair value gap, which I entered off of on the demo. Uh, oh, yeah, I ended off of on the demo, and I just looked at it go down, and I was hesitant on the founded account. That's again a mistake. And then when I saw this, I just entered with a D-Risk, and I let it run. Just shaving risk, on the 5 minute shaving risk. Uh, when I see, for example, this, we went up. I put well when we got above this high, I put it to break even right here, and I just waited, and I see when it went higher, took this high. I put it I think below here because I did not expect it to go down here. Then I put it my stop loss here, at last here, and then it just went to my TP. So that was nice. My TP was again the consolidation on the top. I wanted to initially target this, but I was like, there's a chance it won't go there, right? Because we still have this gap. So like, you know what? Let me just target this, right? This is still a good target. This is still like 2.65 R. Good R, why not? How much would I get off of that? Yeah, about like almost like not much. Like, it's not really necessary to have that all the way to the top. It's whatever, right? I've got profit, yeah. So hell yeah. And yeah, that's basically it. This was consolidation, manipulation into previous week low. And we got the continuation. We didn't catch this. I usually like to catch the bottoms. Like catch this breaker and catch this candle going in and just let it ride. I would have let it ride to like this. Uh, yeah, but I got the continuation. One thing I learned is when you get like manipulation, you look at the higher time frames, like the 1 hour. Where's the manipulation going, right? Because you now want to get the manipulation off of a 15-minute PD array. I don't like that. I like me a 1 hour to 4 hour PD arrays. And uh, we did not actually get this gap on S&P. We entered the gap, right? We entered the gap. On Nasdaq, we just took this low, which still, all right. Which still, like, still good, right? Like, you know. So that took that manipulation, and then when we can catch this, also this was not market open, so I really wanted to wait for market open. I just waited, and I knew I didn't catch this, right? This bottom, that's fine. It's whatever. We don't need to catch bottoms. We don't need to do any of that. I just want to get in on the opportunity, which was the 15-minute fair value gap. A unicorn entry wasn't the best unicorn entry, but a unicorn is a unicorn. I'll enter off of that any day, anytime. Well, not anytime, but mostly market open, and I did, and I got a win, and we good. Tomorrow, bullish. I'm super bullish for tomorrow. I shouldn't be super bullish, but we just got this Tuesday manipulated move of like taking Monday's low, even going below the low, like below Monday, and we got an institutional order flow entry trail while also sweeping previous weekly low. To me, it seems like this is the low of the week. Like honestly, to me, this looks like the. Oh, yeah, I still got this for earlier. This looks like the low of the week for me. This definitely looks like the low of the week to me. And I would definitely see us going up to this fair value gap at least. Or this imbalance basically. Tomorrow we got if some red folders finally. We got Wednesday, we got never mind, we don't. I was wrong. Still, I'd say Thursday is like gonna be distribution. I think on Thursday we're gonna find out where actually market wants to move. But for now, this is these highs right here. This high and this high. My primary targets, my drawn liquidity. So I'm looking to go above that. And yeah, that's it. Uh, I need to screenshot this real quick. On this, and on the, actually no, what am I doing? On the 15-minute, just for my journaling. This is on the entry. I'll just mark this out so I know what happened. This is a market structure shift. Get out. Boom. Alright, yeah, and that's basically it for this video. There's nothing really else to say. I'm bullish. The market's looking good. I love how the market now is like looks healthy to me, you know. I like it. This was a beautiful consolidation, manipulation, distribution. I feel like I really like how this looks. We got this obvious market maker buy model right here, right? Could have taken this. You couldn't taken this as a market maker buy model. Doesn't matter. Power 3 market maker model, whatever it is, right? Open high low close, open low high close. As long as it works for you, keep at it. Keep at it and do not like change it every time. I used to change it a lot, and I'm just now like seeing it's more like you have more confidence in the market only when you stick to one thing. Because if I were to get like 5 models and 5 of that, it just makes me confused on the market. I just look at everything. Now I know what I'm looking for, right? Now I come into the market looking for a clear bias, fair value gaps, unicorns, possibly turtle soups. That's it. And I can just keep at it and it will give me wins like it's nothing. Like right now I have a green week. After a long time, after a long losing streak, I finally have a green week. So far. Monday, got a nice trade. It was on demo, it doesn't matter. I think on Friday I got a win. Today I got a win. And if I stick to this, tomorrow I get a win. I can get a win anytime if I stick to my rules. That's so beautiful, you know, that's the beautiful thing about trading. You don't need all that ICT, all that complicated stuff. This is not complicated. This is bread and butter, right? This is what are we really looking for? Reasons to go up on the daily. Reasons why we should. Reasons why one side is more favored than the other. Why is this side? Why is the upside favored more than the other? Just the previous week low while going inside a daily fair value gap. This to me is huge. Bullish. Alright, what do we look for? 1 hour. Go on the 1 hour. We look for liquidity. PD arrays, anything that price can bounce off of. Me personally, I look for previous day lows, previous week lows, and fair value gaps. I don't need order blocks. I sometimes use them, yeah, but I don't need order blocks. I don't need any of that. For me, liquidity and fair value gaps is enough. I look for fair value gaps. I can find a fair value gap I like. On the 1 hour, I find an entry off of it. If I don't, alright, go down to the 15-minute. Find a 15-minute fair value gap if you're sure it's going up. And here I was really sure it's going up. Find a 15-minute fair value gap. on a 15-minute fair value gap. Alright, price enters. You do what? Go in the 1 minute. Go in the 1 minute. What do you look? What do you find? What do you look for in the 1 minute? A unicorn model. A high, high, lower, low. No, a high, low, high, high, low, low. Entering of that breaker or of that fair value gap, whichever one is the closest. Let it ride. Target equal highs, equal lows. High probability liquidity pools. Nothing complicated about that. We got equal highs here. We got equal highs here. We got equal highs here. We got them everywhere. There's equal highs everywhere. Equal highs, equal lows. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Whatever works for you, whatever is in your plan, go for that. I look for market structure shift of a 1 hour or 15-minute PD array into unicorn. Take that breaker or take that fair value gap. Go. Target high probability liquidity pools, which is what? This consolidation. Price always goes above the original consolidation in a market maker model or in a power of 3. You always get above or below that consolidation. You always do. So there's no reason for me to find a higher reason here where price is gonna go. Oh, it's gonna go all the way up here. I don't give a damn if it's gonna go up here. I know 100%. I know 100% that it's gonna go above these highs. So why would I target this knowing it will maybe go there? No, I don't need to know if it will maybe go there. I need to go if it will go there. And I don't know if it will fill all the fair value gap. It doesn't need to fill it all the way. It does not need to fill a fair value gap all the way. You could just gotten up above these highs and went lower. It could have reversed right here on this candle. It didn't. It went up. Okay. Yes, I could have gotten like 4.5 R. Do I need 4.5 R? No. What I want is a higher win rate. Maybe you want higher RR. Go for it. But you have a lower win rate. No?
Хотіла би тебе ще трошечку в
До предела